Pay attention to the direction that the nose is pointing. Oftentimes people will make the mistake when they're drawing noses, they want to draw them straight on when they're really not straight on. Paying close attention to your contour drawing or your reference photo will help you with that. And here we have the contour drawing already drawn out on the suede mat board. I'm starting with grayed lavender, and I'm going to be doing the lightest areas of the nose. We're going to start right here and fill this in using a circular stroke, pointed, very sharp point, and probably more like a medium pressure. Then we're going to move over here and fill in this area as well. This will all probably make sense to you later as we go. Next, we're going to take China Blue and fill in the darkest areas of the nose. Now, if you're wondering, why am I doing China Blue? Again, it's the whole thing about if you use black, try to put something under it just to make it a richer, nicer black. So in this case, I'm doing China Blue. Circular stroke again, medium pressure. I'm going to go ahead and fill this whole area in, and then I'll be doing black. Next, we're going to take dark umber and then black and fill in the nostrils of the nose. In this case, you'd use a heavier stroke. Now what we're going to do is something a little bit different. We're going to be working with solvent to try to blend in this area right here on the nose. When you're working with solvent, you don't want your brush to be real wet. So what I do when I'm doing it is I dip, dab, and then blend. So I dip into the solvent. So notice how I'm kind of dabbing it a little bit dry. This is a dry brush effect. So now you can just go in here and just scrub it in. And what it does is it helps blend those two colors, but it also deepens the color for you. What you'll be able to do now is draw back on top of it and redefine some of this color, maybe even make it a little bit darker, but it's best to wait until it dries. I have one already done here that has dried, so we'll continue on with that. The next color is taking black again and going ahead and making this a little bit stronger and darker. Using a circular stroke again, medium pressure. Notice how I went ahead and put the line in the middle? It's a good idea to get that defined right now. We'll be working on that a little bit more later.